Hello. I would just like to thank everyone who came to our special day. From JR's colleagues, bosses, Mandalay boys, and ladies, to my office mates, thank you very much. To my friends who came all the way from Laguna just to be here, thank you. And especially to our principal sponsors, thank you very much for spending with us our special day, for coming here. And lastly, but most importantly, thank you very much for our family, for the support and love. And I want to thank everyone, not just for today, but for everything, for all the support and love. Thank you very much. And I want also to thank my partner, JR, for everything, for all the love, the support, and the patience that you've given me and you've shown. Thank you very much. I love you.
Maraming salamat. Ubus na po yung sabaw ko. Medyo malalim na English yung kanina. Ayoko na po maubusan na doon. Sa lahat po nang nagpunta, marami pong salamat. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo. Especially kay Mau. Thank you po. Saka sa family, kila tita, kay mami, salamat po. Sa mga boss ko po, yung Rose, Mandalay, tita, Tito Heidi, Tito Teddy, Tita Heidi, mga tiga Cubao, Kuya Leo, Atty. Colvera, Tito Teddy, Tita Tess, Tita Marina, Ma'am Rose, maraming salamat po. Hindi po, naubusan na po ako ng gulo.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And finally,